Hi, this is Ty. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create this effect in Photoshop. First, place the image of the eye. Next, click the round icon at the bottom right and select Brightness. Lower the brightness value all the way down. Then use a soft black brush to paint around the eye. This makes the eye look as if it is glowing. Next, let's create the cross-shaped light effect. Choose the Line tool, set Fill to None, and change the stroke color to red. Draw one line, then press Command or Control and D to duplicate it, and rotate it. Hold down Shift while rotating to snap to a clean angle. Select both line layers by holding Command or Control and clicking them, then right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Edit menu, choose Transform and then Warp. Bend the lines so they follow the shape of the eye. When this is done, duplicate it again with Command or Control and D and move the one underneath slightly backward. Then go to the Filter menu, choose Blur and apply Gaussian Blur. Duplicate it again, double-click and increase the blur amount. Repeat this process to add more blur and glow until the effect looks bright and radiant. Now let's make the halftone effect. Create a new layer on the very top. Go to the Edit menu, choose Fill, and set it to 50% gray. Right-click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, go to the Filter menu, select Pixelate, and choose Color Halftone. Set the maximum radius to around 84 and set all angles to 0. Change the blending mode to Multiply and set the opacity to 30%. This creates a simple halftone effect. Now let's adjust the layout. At the bottom, use the Rectangle tool to draw a black rectangle with no stroke. On top of it, add the poster number and some text. Finally, add the Y2K assets and the design is complete. You can download these Y2K assets from the link in the description, so please check it out. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.